Go ahead.
Let me start over again.
Okay.
I'm cute. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. KATiE needs a napkin, and today we're gonna make caramel apples, vegan caramel apples. I need a napkin
Good. Vegan caramel apples. And why are we doing vegan caramel apples?
because they didn't have vegan ones at school.
So we're gonna make some vegan caramel apples for KATiE, right?
Yeah, because they made some with their mommy. They ate some with their mommy and daddy. So
They got to bring theirs home to eat with their mommy and daddy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna make some.
Yeah. So I'm gonna make some with my mom and dad and Charlotte.
All right.
All
Okay,
right.
let's get going. So
Okay.
what do we need?
So we melted 2 tablespoons of butter, earth balanced butter in there. Okay, and then we're gonna mix all the other stuff in, and then Mommy's gonna cook it over the stove. It's gonna take a little while to cook. So you're gonna put, this is 1.5 cups of brown sugar. So can you pour all of that in there? Just take the whole bowl and pour it all in.
Okay, be careful though.
Okay.
All right, and then what's next?
Then you're gonna put in 1/4 cup of corn syrup. So take that carefully and pour the whole thing in there.
Okay, let it go so you get all of it in.
Okay, good job.
That's really
Let
good.
it go.
Okay, now, ready? There you go.
Okay, good job. Okay, now this
Let go.
is just 3 tablespoons of water. So just pour that in there.
Oh.
Yep,
Yeah, you gotta try and get it all the way in. Is that it?
that's it. And
Okay, and then we did, we melted some chocolate. So where you might drizzle some chocolate on top of our what?
Then I'm making.
Caramel apples. And what else could we put on? We crushed up some nuts, and we could put some of those on too.
Peanuts.
Yeah, peanuts.
Okay,
So-
Mom's gonna go over and cook this, and we'll see you in a little bit. And
Okay.
we'll-
Should we say bye?
Yeah, bye.
Okay, bye for now. We'll be back unless you want to tell stories or something. Okay, so we're gonna do a vegan taste test while we're cooking. Okay, go ahead, get them first.
Here's what it looks like.
So this is the first time we've seen these. It's a Daiya classic vanilla bean. So it's basically like an ice cream bar.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try one of these, do a little taste test, and see if it's KATiE approved.
Try to open it.
Yeah. Okay, so there's 3 in here, and they come
Wow.
individually wrapped. So that means there's one for me and Mommy and KATiE. There you go. You want this one first?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So it's a good size for a little kid.
Wow, look what it looks like.
Ready? So here we go. Whoa.
That's good. That cold is good.
Mm-hmm. Delicious. I haven't had something like this since really I was a kid because I've been vegan a long, long time. And that's really good. I like it a lot. This is really, really good, guys. We just saw it in the store today. So we decided to pick it up. And I'm glad we did. That's what it looks like. So, how good is it, KATiE? Why don't you talk to him?
It's awesome.
Oh, Charlotte got some.
Chocolate on it.
You guys see? Charlotte got some chocolate on her arm. No, Charlotte, you can't eat that. She's trying. She's trying to eat it.
You want to eat? She's trying to eat.
These are actually pretty big. They really are because they're pretty thick. You guys see that?
See?
So it's actually a really good. Really good after dinner snack. Right?
This is awesome. This is the
It's
best night ever.
the best night ever. These are dairy free, soy free, and gluten free.
Berry free?
It's probably berry free too.
Want to see our apples?
See?
Ta-da!
Look at those apples.
Look at those apples.
You'll be able to eat apples in about a year or so. I don't know.
Ew, 1 week.
No, not 1 week. Not 1 week, kiddo. KATiE loves apples.
So it's gonna take about 15 minutes to cook like this. We're just gonna add a little bit of vanilla, half a teaspoon of vanilla into it. Mix that in now that it's all done cooking. And about half a teaspoon of salt too. Just a little salted caramel flavor. Whisk that together. And then we're gonna go make some caramel apples.
All right. You want to do the first dip?
I'll do mine.
You got to dip it all in and get it all caramely. Ooh, that actually really does look good, guys. Wow, look at that.
Put
Can
it
you
on
see
its side and
Yeah, dip it in. Okay, twirl it like this. Yeah, twirl it like this. Wow, look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Ooh, guys, look at this. This looks really, really good. All right, KATiE, so this is what you're going to do.
Wow.
So you're going to take it out and you're going to put it right there. Go ahead and just put it right down, and then it'll create like a caramel top. Wow.
Can I eat it?
no,
Not yet.
You gotta let it.
Once we're done, I'm doing mine and we'll let Mommy do hers, okay? So once we're done doing this,
Okay, so
are you super excited for these?
yeah.
Guys, this is a perfect treat for this time of year. So,
Very sticky.
yeah, it is very sticky.
This is nice.
Get them all nice and covered in caramel like this.
Wow, Mommy got a lot on hers.
Wow.
Here, once Mommy's done, you want to take one of your cut up apples and try it?
How about we do that other?
Oh, do this one? All right, we'll do one more because we got enough.
Popsicle stick right in there. Now there's a couple tricks to making sure that you get all your
Who can this be
caramel to stick. So you want to make sure that you wash them real good with hot water first, because there's like a wax sometimes on the outside of the apples. And when you wash them, it washes off all that wax. So wash them in hot water, dry them real good so that your caramel can stick real good to them.
Can I wash
Okay.
the caramel?
No, before you do the caramel. Look at that. Gonna drizzle any of your nuts or chocolate on it?
Ooh, this is my part.
Oh, careful. Don't drizzle it on there, not on all the... Yep, just like that.
Sorry. Sorry, Mom. I'm just walking over.
A little chocolate on Daddy's.
Actually, this is for me. This is for you. The one next to it. This is for me.
Okay.
This is for you, and this is for Charlotte.
So
And
got
this, when she
chocolate
gets,
on there.
when she gets a little older, she can have this.
Mm-hmm. A few little
But
nuts
right
on
now,
there.
but for today, can I put
Yeah, put a few more nuts on yours. Here, you just kind of stick them on there.
two,
Kind of stick them into the sides. Stick on there. Yeah.
stick,
Yep.
sticky.
Okay, I think we're good.
This is really sticky.
Yeah.
Dude.
Okay.
This is Awesome.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put them in the fridge. Okay. Okay, we put them in the fridge, and we'll come back a little later.
And then try it.
Try one later.
Yeah. Okay. We will say, if this is yuck, then we'll say this is yuck. This is awesome. And we will say this is awesome. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys?
Okay.
You're not one of the guys.
Should Mommy try one of our ice creams? Can you get me one?
Is there one more? You should try it. It's really good.
It's really good.
Ow.
Well, Mommy's got some caramel on me, and Mommy needs a napkin. Don't try to lick Mommy. That's yucky. Don't do that.
Try it.
Okay, this looks good. Chocolate's really good.
Can I try a bite of yours?
It's the same thing you already ate.
Oh, we share things. What?
Yeah, we share things.
You took a bite of my side. Oh, we can share sides.
It's yummy.
Can I take another bite?
Yeah. Okay, that's enough. You're gonna have caramel apple. You'll be bouncing off the walls later. So, you've been vegan your whole life, right, Katie?
Yeah.
Do you like being vegan? What's your favorite part about being vegan?
Caramel apples. Did you forget it? Oh, God.
So, it's the next morning,
Oh.
right? And we couldn't eat them last night because they weren't done and you had to go to Betty Betty's, right?
Yeah.
So,
So,
now we're up. It's the next morning and we are ready to try our caramel apples. What do you guys think? It stuck right to it. So we did, if you guys remember, from like 30 seconds ago, we did some caramel and we drizzled some chocolate on it. Doesn't that look delicious? And Katie put a couple nuts on some of them. So I think it's gonna be delicious. You guys want to try it?
1, 2, 3.
Can you bite into it? I got a little bit of caramel.
Look, you get it.
You can't get it? Okay.
Watch me.
It's so good with the chocolate.
Chloe, this is so good.
You talking to Chloe? Hi, Chloe.
I think she's going to say hi back to me. Ah!
Okay, give it a try.
Ah! 1, 2, 3.
You like it or not like it?
I can't get a bite out of it.
Try and bite real hard. What do you look at the camera? Tell them what you think. Is it good or not good? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. So this time of year, make some candy apples. So the caramel is a little different than what you would be used to. But I think it's still good, right? But the chocolate's real good.
Wanna see me do this again? Wanna see me do that again, guys?
Mommy needs a napkin.
I'm not used to all the sweet stuff. Is it good? Would you make it again? Do you recommend it to all our people?
I like it, guys. Goodbye, guys.
That's it? You just want to say goodbye?
It's so good. The caramel's good. The chocolate's good. The peanuts are good. But I would recommend maybe doing slices so it's a little easier to eat.
But we also kept it in the fridge for a while. And then we took it right out and ate it.
But delicious.
Don't forget to just
subscribe.
Subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. We got some more videos coming, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Bye.
Bye.